Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about the Center for Open Science, or COS. This nonprofit technology company's mission is, quote, to increase openness, integrity, and reproducibility of research. They envision a future scholarly community in which the process, content, and outcomes of research are openly accessible by default, with scholarly content preserved, connected, and versioned to foster discovery, accumulation of evidence, and respect for uncertainty, unquote. Their primary product is the Open Science Framework, or OSF. OSF is a free open source web tool that helps researchers document their entire workflow from start to finish in a collaborative space while making it easier for them to share some or all of their project with others. OSF has a set of features that include the ability of researchers to organize their projects, manage complex projects easily, document the process, register and share their work, and project analytics. In 2016, COS also started offering preprint services, or OSF Preprints. They have launched 5 major branded services: Psych Archive, Agri Archive, Social Archive, Engineer Archive, and Law Archive. OSF offers other services including OSF Meetings, OSF Institutions, and Share. Founded in 2013, COS has been funded by many organizations, with their primary funding coming from the Laura and John Arnold Foundation, with other support from DARPA, NIH, and the National Science Foundation, and others. Currently, COS boasts 60,000 plus active users, 86,000 OSF projects, 2 million indexed preprints, 5 million downloads, and over 700,000 monthly page views. Impressive metrics. They have an impressive list of top journals using all or part of their offerings. The Center for Open Science is one of the many ways scholarly publishing has changed over the past 5 years, and undoubtedly will continue to change for the better. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the playlist to see more of my videos. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.